I can't wait to... My fries. Got my fries here. And then I got my chicken nuggets. What did you get? Did you get a burger?
Yeah, I got a hamburger and fries.
And then the most important, the Happy Meal toy. Oh, wait. Wait, where?
Oh, your drink.
Oh.
You got it? Okay.
Oh, wait, hold on. Where?
What's wrong?
There's no Happy Meal toy in mine. Look, it's empty. It's empty. This doesn't make sense. Where's my Happy Meal toy?
I don't know. Did you check your nuggets?
Oh no, I didn't check my nuggets. Maybe I should check.
Yeah, maybe
my
they're your nuggets.
That's a good idea. No Happy Meal toy here. It's just nuggets.
So weird. I wonder. Did you check your fries?
Oh, I didn't check my fries.
Yeah, maybe you need to dump your fries out.
Okay, I'll dump my fries out.
No?
No, there's nothing there. It's empty.
Weird. Did you check your drink? No?
No. I don't think there's anything in there.
Weird.
Oh, maybe I should check your drink.
What? Why would it be in my drink?
Or maybe I should check your Happy Meal box.
No, I don't think it's in my Happy Meal box.
Huh. No, you're right. It's not in there.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's not.
Olivia?
Yes, Noah?
Oh, what do you have in your hand? You got my toy! You got my toy! I know it! You got my toy! Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!